Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure the modem and router are powered and showing normal status lights, because a dead upstream device is the common cause. Once done, on the TV go to Settings, General Network and Open Network Settings so you can select Wi-Fi or wired. You should have the SSID and password ready. This avoids failed attempts. If your network uses a captive portal or guest login, prepare to complete that on a phone or laptop before continuing. Now focus on isolating the problem. If you can, plug an Ethernet cable directly to the TV to see if wired networking works, because that quickly separates Wi-Fi from broader network faults. Next, make sure to try manual DNS entries like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 in the TV network settings to avoid ISP DNS outages. Also, check for a TV firmware update if Wi-Fi prevents it. Download the update on a computer and update via USB, or use the temporary Ethernet connection to install fixes. Finish by reapplying the working configuration. If the TV connects by Ethernet but not Wi-Fi, reset the TV's network settings and reconnect so cached bad profiles are cleared. Once connected, test streaming apps and run Samsung's network diagnostics to capture any error codes, because those codes tell you whether it's authentication, signal, or service related. If issues persist, power cycle the entire network, modem, router, TV, wait 30 seconds between steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.